to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Mahaday is our priority. Issue will be followed till the end. Matter is sub judice, but Karnataka government continues to misguide Supreme Court by carrying out Karsa Bandura project. WRD Minister tell the House. Farmer agitate at Deputy Collector's office after receiving final letter of compensation under land acquisition for Mopa Airport. Government is acting dictatorial and tyrannical. Refuse compensation. Finally, Congress higher-ups wake up. React on Marvin's conduct in assembly during boycott of assembly on CCP mayor fiasco. Desk in charge takes cognizance. High Court has issued notice to the union government, state government and investigating agencies on dual citizenship issues. Asked why a preliminary inquiry was not conducted after receiving a complaint. Coaching network in India needs to be improved. Youth development programs missing in most states, says AIFF Vice Chairman Savio Messias. And Oxford Marine will all Goa 2020 cricket title. Goa Police finish as runners-up. Now the news in detail. Government is absolutely serious over Mahaday issue with Karnataka. Minister for Water Resources declared that Mahaday issue will be followed till its logical conclusion and state is not bothered which party is ruling in Karnataka. He also admitted that Karnataka government is misguiding Supreme Court and going ahead with the Karsa Bandura project for diversion of Mahaday river.
पुढून आता प्रुडंट टीव्ही थंय वता ओ एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट राजन केरकरा भशेन वतात आणि थंय दिश्टी पडटा की काम चालूच आहा. आता हांव जाणा की हे तुमचे फुल हातान ना पूण एट द सेम टायम हाजेर मातशी सिरियसनेस दाखोवपाची गरज आहा. चड करून सरकारान सिरियसनेस दाखोवंक जाय कित्याक फक्त कायद्याचें आमकां जर उत्तर दिलें जाल्यार तें उत्तर कर्नाटकाचो सरकार तुमचो आयकना. आता तो तुजे पार्टीचो सरकार म्हूण तूं फाटीं फुडें येता काय कितें जाता तें म्हाका कळना.
म्हादयच्या विशयाच्या संदर्भ सगळ्यांक हें आहा आमी सिरियस आहा. आमचे कोर्टान विजय सरदेसायान म्हटलें की आतां पर्यंत मिनिस्टर प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दिना. खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार मॅटर सुप्रीम कोर्टान आहा. कर्नाटकाक बीजेपीचें आहा आनी हांगर बीजेपीचें आहा. बाब आमच्या हेणीन म्हटलें की फुडें थंय काँग्रेसचे प्रश्न काँग्रेसचे थंय येयल्यार कांय हरकत ना. उदकाचो प्रश्न आमचो आहा गोंयचो आहा आनी ह्या हेका लागून ते सरकार हेचें आसलें कर्नाटकाचें आसलें कोणाचें आसलें म्हण तांकां आमी हें करपाचें ना आनी हो विशय आहा तो आमी तसो सोडपाचो ना. त्याच बरोबर तुमी म्हटल्यार त्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी आमी प्रत्यक्ष थंय वचून इन्स्पेक्शन केल्लें आहा की तेंच्यांनी ते कोर्टाक थंय वचून सांगता की आमी कांयच करिना म्हणून. आनी थंय फिल्डार जेन्ना जर वता जाल्यार ते सगळें काम करता. आनी ही सुद्दां गोश्ट आहा ती आमी कोर्टाच्या निदर्शनाक हाडून दिल्ली आहा.
Mopa International Airport affected farmers refused to accept the compensation and agitated in the Deputy Collector's office on Monday. Farmers due for compensation under Land Acquisition Act were issued letters to be present in the office. They protested as the matter of Mopa Airport is sub judice. They claimed that the government is harassing them and behaving as a dictator on land acquisition and compensation.
Sandeep Kamri, one of the affected farmers, said that administration is going ahead with Mopa airport without taking farmers into confidence.
जे कितें आमी आसले पळय ते फुल्ल आमचे हायकोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट अशे सगळ्याक पेंडींग आहा आनी जितले शेतकरी येयल्ले पळय आमी ते मिनिमम 70-80 शेतकरी सगळ्यांचे जेन्ना हायकोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्टान पेंडींग आसल्या कारणान जे कितें हायकोर्टाचे जे कितें आन्सर आहा की आमकां आमचे जमनी आनी जो मॅटर हा पेंडींग आसतना तुमी कोर्टाक मानिनासतना पोजिशन कशें घेता हे बाबतीन आमी आन्सर घेवन येयले आनी ते आन्सर आमी ताका फकत रिसीट दिवपाक म्हणजे ताका एक कॉपी दिवन आमी रिसीट करून घेतले ह्या उद्देशान येयले आनी ते आमी ताका जेन्ना दिवपाक गेल्ले तेन्ना स्पेशल लँड एक्विशन ऑफिसर जो कोण फुतारदो म्हणून नेमला तेणीन सरळ सांगले की तुमचे आमी आन्सर एक्सेप्ट करिना तुमकां जर जाय जाल्यार तुमी येवन आपले स्पेशल लँड एक्विशन ऑफिस आहा झुंता हाऊस पणजी थंय तुमी येवन ते दिवपाचें तेन्ना आमी ताका क्वेश्चन केलें की बाबा रे तूं आमकां लेटर केलाय की पेडण्या यो म्हणून आनी आतां तूं सांगताय पणजे दियात म्हणून म्हणजे चल्ला कितें की तूं ह्या शेतकऱ्यांक कितें सतावंक सोदताय अशे जायते प्रश्न केले पूण तेणी एक सुद्दां आमची न आयकता मिनिमम 1 तास तो कितें विदाउट उलय नासतना अजिबात उलोवंक ना तो उलय नासतना फकत चूप सकयल मान घालून बसून रावलो आनी आमचे सगळे शेतकार आसले तितले आमी उबे रावन फकत तेजी रिक्वेस्ट करताले की बाबा हे आमचे एक्सेप्ट कर.
Vinod Methar for Prudent.
Daboli MLA Marvin Godino is under scanner by his own party. Congress party has taken strong cognizance of Marvin Godino's non-participation during protests against ruling party in the assembly. Goa desk in charge of Congress party Sudhakar Reddy is annoyed with the act of Godino. Marvin had stayed in the house while opposition walked out on the CCP mayor fiasco issue.
I came to know the observations, what exactly it is, I will verify. It's not fair. If it all is correct on record, I have to verify what exactly he told and what contest he told. Definitely, I'll ask the explanation. Okay.
Panji Mayor Surendra Furtad met Congress desk in charge at the party state headquarters and requested Sudhakar Reddy to assist in getting JJNRUM fund from the centre.
Well, I will first and foremost like to thank the 8 Congress MLAs out of 9 for having stood by me in the assembly, namely our leader of the opposition, my family friend Mr. Pradhan Rane, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, Mr. Babus Munsarado, Jennifer Munsarat, Mr. Digambar Kamath, the former Chief Minister, Mr. Babu Kavlekar, and Mr. Madkekar, and Mr. Reginald Lawrence, whose voice and independent MLA Vijay Desai. PCC should work together to achieve a goal. Otherwise, we are nowhere. The assembly is around the corner. We have to take advantage of this. Lok Sabha is around the corner. We have to get advantage of this.
Congress में रह के बीजेपी भाषा बात नहीं करना कोई भी.
Correct.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.